Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you create a Leeches account. Let me just adjust the mic. Just give me a minute. Uh, this is, hopefully my voice is coming clearly. Now let me just share how to create a Leeches account. Before that, you need to know one thing. Why should you create a Leeches account? Basically, if you want to play chess or practice chess or learn about chess, I think you should have a Lichess account and it's free, completely free. Here, all you need to do, go to Google, search lichess.org and the interface is very good of Lichess. Go here. Now here you will get an option called sign in. Click there. If you are new, you don't have to do anything here. Just come here. There is an option called register. Click over there. Now you enter your name. Let me just enter a random name. Okay. Just give me a minute. Now, in certain cases, like here, username is already taken. Then what you do, after the name, you add a number like 89. Or sometimes we can add like this. Also make sure there is no space in the username. Now coming to the password, you can enter a password like, just to show you, I'm not going to enter this password so I can show you. You can enter like Q at the rate, although password is not showing, but this is for just for explanation. You can enter a combination of numbers and the letters, okay, so that it will come green. Make sure the password is green. Okay, now here you enter a email ID. I don't want to offend anyone, so I'll enter my email ID. This is my official one. Alright, here we are done. Now there are some things which we have to check and then just click on the register. Well, I can't click here because I already have an account, but I'll show you how it will look like after you have registered. Let me enter a password and username which I have already, and make sure if you are a parent watching this, please ensure this option. Go to preferences and there will be a kid mode. Let me just, if I can, okay, me here, I'll just move it. Here there is a kid mode. Just go here, enter the password and enable the kid mode. This will avoid social interaction, which I don't think is necessary for the kids. So that's it. And here the kids can play. And I would also recommend to play 10 minutes, 10 plus 5 or any of these, but try to avoid these options. In general, bleeds and bullets are not really useful when you are at the early stage. Or I would say try to only go with the rapid or classical ones. That's how you can use this, and there are some certain other things which we are going to see in the other video on how you can use leeches to learn. Okay then, till then have a nice day. Make sure to like this video. Also subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video. Till then have a nice day. Bye bye.